Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here and you're gonna learn about bind method, which is a part of function constructor. So let me show you. What we're gonna do, create a object called module. Inside it we're gonna do is create x equals 42 comma and create a function called getX. What it does is return the value of x on the object. So the start x. After that, what we're gonna do is create another variable and say get x equals module dot get x. But this time when we do that, it will not get the x, so that's why I name it unbound. So we will print and make it to a function if we say undefined, because it can't define that. Now how we can do it? We have a method called bind. So I talked about it earlier, and this is all about that unbound. Use that and dot bind and pass module. When we be done with that, log it on a console, bound getX, and do that. We will go get 42. Simple as that. So that's it for today's video. See you guys next time.